doing today. Converted this power wheel into one of these. So what I did is you have to buy one of these on Amazon, and I believe this is the negative and the positive, and what you do is you unscrew it. Hey, leave the dog alone. And then this is the positive, and then I attach these wires. They have little prongs on the back of it, and then it'll say positive and negative, and then you connect the red wire, positive back wire. It wouldn't fit, the other plastics right here, it wouldn't fit, so I just left it off. And then I just cut a hole right here so the wires can pop out. That way I can put the battery on and it doesn't interfere. And then I put 30 amp fuse, and then I ran it to, this is to make it for the voltage, like slower or faster for the kids, because depends how fast or slow I want it. And then the motor, I cut it off obviously, and then I put it the negative, the positive, and then I ran the negative to positive, and then hold on. Just like that. I mean, I usually just stick it in here. Just stick it down here. Battery. Probably not the best thing, but it works. And then turn it up. Junior, come here. Junior. See if I can get my son to ride it. Junior. And it should go pretty. I could even drive it. Oh, go forward. Pulls me, I'm 180 pounds. It has enough. And we're off. It's pretty fast, faster than the regular battery. I think if I were to, I've seen people put 2 batteries, but I think that would obviously be way faster. But for being a drill, that's not bad at all. Way better than power wheel battery. All right, bye.